did it do? Light was pretty fast.
Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. This is video 5 in the EK video series, and this video is going to cover the final preparations of the floor right up to paint. Well, as you can see there, the vehicle's on its side and sort of ready for shot blasting. New piece of equipment we bought there, that shot blaster. Really good piece of equipment, really enjoyed using it. I'll be honest, after about 5 hours, I wasn't so keen on it, and the sand in the eyes definitely wasn't enjoyable. But that made me some better PPE that I needed for that job. But yeah, gave an absolutely brilliant finish, a uniform finish all over. Got rid of any rust that we just basically couldn't get at with wire wheels or anything like that. Definitely 100% the best process to alleviate every last piece of rust. Well, as you can see, that's the floors all done and moving into the oven. And there's a man himself, Uncle Keith, who's about to start putting some epoxy primer on it.
I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late.
Okay, so we've shot blasted with epoxy prime, so now we're moving on to seam sealer. Now the idea of this is obviously you seal the joints. This stops moisture and any water or muck or anything getting into those joints. Have to pay attention, make sure that there's no water holes or water areas there, because sometimes they have little slits and it's to allow moisture out, so be careful that you don't block those up. But it is really important that you get those joints all sealed in nice.
Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
can't wait to leave this town, cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new day. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, cause we're aiming high.
And on to the next section. Now I'll start here with an apology. I set the camera up and unfortunately the memory got full, so we only got a small snippet of this section. But this section is U-pole Raptor lining. Now really good product this. Used it on a couple of cars already and really like it. It lasts really well. This is the tintable stuff, so we've added 100ml of the colour of the vehicle, which is Marina Bay Blue by BMW. That tints the Raptor lining and allows for easier coverage with the final colour. Okay, the Raptor lining's had over the weekend to dry. Uncle Keith's loaded up there with his base coat and ready to start applying. And this really does give you an idea of how the final product's going to look.
Like your life inside a car, forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, cause we're aiming high. I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new day. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and
Okay, moving on to the final stage of clear coat. Now, as me and Uncle Keith can never leave anything alone, this is not clear coat on its own. We've also added a blue metal flake to this. I think this is really going to finalise the colour. There's a lot of blue crystal in the colour itself, but we wanted to add something to the clear coat to get a real final pop / sparkle out of it. The end results look stunning. I'm sure this video won't show you to the true extent, but once we move on to the bodywork, we'll hopefully be able to show you that. Okay, there you have it, the final result. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, leave us a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Video 6 of the EK video series will be Engine Bay.
to leave this town, cause lately I've been feeling